In many of the Shopify store, this is also the best tag seller of the Shopify. If we talk about JD Store Tag, this store has a mission that also carries a vision. JD Store Tech was founded with the vision of creating a global tech store offering the latest tech products so that they can lead the world and make the difficulties easier. In partnership with the leading technologies brand across the globe, JD Store Tech offers a wide range of software, hardware, PC accessories, and UV sterilizers to cover everyone's need. If we will take an overview, a glimpse of the products, partners, and programs of our tech store, visit our to upgrade your digital life. If we will talk about Ambassador Program, their Ambassador Program has been designed to help you succeed in generating an income simply by referring our products. You will have all the tools required, including live commission, tracking, customers analytics, and marketing assets to help you achieve your goals. If we will talk about their e-commerce program, they want to grow everyone's online store who wish to go with e-commerce, and they want to stand out with their products for competitors. If you will join their e-commerce program and access a huge collection of products to grow your business. If we will talk about their wholesale program, want products to stand out from your competitors? Join their wholesale program and stop searching. We do it for you. Discounts, quick shipment, and payment facilities are available. As you can see, there are many products on this tech store. They are hiring many wholesalers, many entrepreneurs so that they can lead the world globally. They can make they can fulfill a need in a second. Their vision is to make everything easier and to spread out this e-commerce business globally. If we will talk about their sales, they have a massive response. If you will see their products, their reviews, their shipment, their qualities, their time taking, their everything, their response, you will be you will completely trust them. They are offering not only for hardware or accessories, they are also offering for software and many other products. These stores are getting the high pitch on success.